Hi guys, I'm going to now show you how to change your text, change your font, and the way your PowerPoint looks. So you can delete the directions in the PowerPoint. When you type in your first text at the top, I have "on her way back from Honolulu, something unimaginable happens." If I did not like this text, I can highlight it. And if you go to the home button, you can change whatever text you would like. I'm going to change it to this one, Al-Dahibi. You can choose, and I have it at 72, whichever one you would like, but please make sure that's readable and intriguing to the people who are watching it. So the second one, again, I have to highlight it and change it. Okay. And now I'm going to show you how to put transitions in. So if this is your first slide, you are going to click it, transitions, and I'm going to click fade. And then the second slide, I'm going to click it, and you have to highlight fade again. But this time I'm going to do and fade for the text. So the animations will fade your text in and out. So I'm going to do this one. I have to highlight the text and try not to do a lot of animations or transitions because then it just gets really clunky and unprofessional. So we're going to go to the first slide, and if you click this present button at the bottom, it has like you click on it and you can press the enter button to go through yours to see if you like how your text is fading in and out. And keep in mind when you're recording it, you can do the timing with the music as well. So I don't really like how that slide, this slide, the text was on the left top, and then the next slide was on the left top. So I'm going to change this back here and show. And then I'm going to fix this box. I'm going to drag it to the middle of the page, and I want it a little more dramatic, so I'm going to make it bigger. So I'm going to highlight the text, go to home, and make my text larger. And actually, I don't even think that's large enough. And then you can insert pictures. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can go to the next slide. It's up to you. Online pictures, pictures that you saved. So if we go to online pictures, in this box, you can also just go online to do it. You can search for a picture and use your snipping tool again. So you could go to Google, you could Raft, something like that. It looks like it's having a hard time loading. Let me just do it from Google. So let me go back here. Looks like my internet just went down. Okay, here's the online pictures piece if you want to use that. You can search and insert that way, or you could go to Google. Ooh, it's still loading. So we'll search on this one first. Okay, so I typed in plane crash and then I pressed enter, and it should bring up possible images. So I could, again, snip this image, or I could right click and save. Either way works for you, but I'm going to go back to the bottom. And snip the image. So I type in Snipping Tool, and then I press Snipping Tool, and it should turn gray where I can highlight the picture that I want. So that was my old one. I'm going to go to New, and the screen turns gray, and I am going to use this one since it's more like by the water. And then I go to File, Save As. You can save it on your OneDrive or your desktop. I'm just going to put it on my desktop. So I'm going to put this PC. And then I'm going to title it Plane Crash so I can find it. And then I'm going to press Desktop. And then Open. Okay, and then I go back to my PowerPoint. Now you can also insert video right here. It's the same concept. So insert, picture, and then I am going to choose the picture from my desktop. Okay, so I can make it larger by dragging the corner. And the same concept goes for video. So if you want to do video, you go to Insert Video. And then you can do from a file, from YouTube, or embed a code. So if I wanted to search through YouTube, I could do plane crash. Or actually, I'm going to do shark attack because she has to survive shark attacks. Okay, so these are different videos I could do. So I chose one, I pressed insert. And it will take a minute for it to insert, but once you press play, you can see the video as well.